Body parts. Parts of the body. Head. Hair. Eyebrows. Eyes. Nose. Ear. Teeth. Mouth. Tongue. Shoulder. Chest. Arm. Finger. Hand. Stomach. Knee. Leg. Toe. Foot. Singular versus plural. The plural of a noun is usually indicated by adding s. Singular means one. For example, an eye, a finger, a hand. Plural means two or more. 2 eyes, 5 fingers, 2 hands. There are some body parts that cannot be made plural by adding s. For example, a foot becomes 2 feet. A tooth becomes 4 teeth. Body part verbs. I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ears. I can smell with my nose. I can touch with my fingers. I can taste with my tongue. I can run with my legs and feet. I can bite and chew with my teeth. If you're on social media, don't forget to follow us. We are on many different platforms. Also, if you're interested in free classes, don't forget to tell your friends about us.